Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot joins me now for our final trade of the day. Joel, happy to have you on the show as always.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Joel is taking a look at CVS, the pharmacy chain, ahead of earnings. So overall, what do you think about the performance of this stock? Has it been a good stock or a poor stock to own?
Well, this is it's been I would say some would say mixed reviews.
Okay.
But I would say definitely over the past few months we've seen the stock rebound, and I think heading into earnings here, this stock may have the potential to continue to head to the upside.
Ooh, we might see a breakout, do you think?
We might see a breakout here coming soon.
So what would be an option strategy that you would play on CVS?
Well, I'm looking to put on a position called a long call synthetic straddle. That's where you're going to buy. I'm buying 2 at the money calls, and I'm actually going to sell 100 shares of stock.
Ah, there you go. So you're selling shares of the stock. So on the options trade, then what strikes are you buying? Where are those call buys happening?
Those calls are being bought at the $76 strikes. Reason being, CVS is actually trading near $76 right now. So those calls are bought at the money. And I'm looking to take advantage of the potential volatility that's going to come into this stock ahead of earnings. So earnings are November 6th. This position that I'm putting on is going to be put on with the expiration around November 17th.
And how do you actually make money on this trade?
I'm so glad you asked. There's just 2 parts. Well, because this is what we call long call synthetic straddle, if volatility pushes this stock higher, then I'm going to make money on the calls. But if volatility pushes this stock down, because this is what we call traditional options play, I can actually take those calls off, and those 100 shares of stocks are already being shorted at the price of $76.
Oh.
So either way, I can have the potential to make some money.
You're really giving yourself a lot of latitude here.
I am.
What do you think about somebody who just buys the stock, or would you ever consider just buying the stock ahead of earnings?
I would say for me, I'm always thinking protection. You know, so I would say definitely I think CVS could be a potential positive play for myself for the long haul, but this is a trade for income for me. It's not necessarily a long-term hold for me.
Okay, good to know. Thanks so much for your Trader Talk today, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.